Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, one of the videos I have done before is when I am preparing more than one dishes, and I always get asked if I'm entertaining, how do I plan and how do I cook and things like that. So tomorrow I am feeding 12 guests. So I am going to start planning today. So I've been to the shops, I've bought the vegetables, and it's a whole vegetarian feast. So I thought I will share how I'm going to prepare and cook with you guys. You might find it helpful or not. Sorry if you don't, but I hope you do. So I'm going to make one kind of a dish that is more saucy. So I'm going to do a chole. Then I want something dry, so with vegetables. So I'm going to do cauliflower sabzi, and then I want to do a yogurt based dish. So I'm going to do dahi vade and then some salad, and also my kids favorite yellow paneer, which is paneer masala, some lovely rice with it, and some flatbreads. So I am going to, it's dinner's tomorrow, so I'm going to soak the dal for the dahi vada today, and also I'm going to prepare the masalas for the chole and the paneer masala today. Then I'm going to finish it, everything tomorrow fresh. I won't make the sabji, I'll make the sabji tomorrow. So let's get cooking. Right, so let me show you what's going on. So I've soaked the urad and moong for the dahi vada, and I have soaked the chickpeas for the chole. So that's all the soaking done, and what I'm going to do is prepare the masala for this, then it's ready for tomorrow. So here's the start of the masala. Obviously everything that I'm cooking today, you can find the recipes on the channel. So it starts with oil and seeds and then goes in the onions. So it should going to take around a total of half an hour to cook the full masala. Half an hour, 40 minutes. I'm going to tell you what's happening. In this pan I've got the masala getting ready for the yellow paneer, which is the paneer masala. It's cooked very differently to the chole masala, which is here, cooking away really nicely, and obviously I've got all the things soaking right there. So it is really quite handy to get all this stuff done today, because this is going to take another 15-20 minutes, maximum half an hour. Then I can get rid of all the mess. All the messy stuff is done today, and once they've cooled down, I'll put them in boxes, put them in the fridge, and then actually cook the main dish tomorrow. So this is really handy. I can get back to work and do some dinner for today. But yeah, if you once you know how many people are coming, the first thing to do is get your menu, know what you want to cook, get your ingredients, and then in between work, if you can, squeeze in, or after work in the evening. So all the messy work is done today, and now I'm going to pack this up once it's cooled down and continue the cooking tomorrow. Welcome to next morning. Now I'm just going to be honest here. I've got 2 hours before the guests arrived, and I have the chickpeas that I soaked last night. I have just cooked it in a pressure cooker, so it's taken me half an hour, and it's created this big giant of a mess. So I need to clear that, and I'm gonna get the paneer curry on the other hob, and I'm gonna start chopping up the okra for the crispy okra. So for the crispy okra, I have got here, because there's 12 of us, 1 kilo of okra, which I have topped and tailed last night. And now what I'm going to do is cut it into 4 or 6, depending on how thick they are. Actually 4 is fine. So I'm just going to slice it into like this. So I'm going to do that with all of this lot of okra. So here is the masala for the paneer that I made yesterday, and I left it in the fridge to cool down. I'm going to give it a blitz, and then I'm ready to cook the paneer masala. Here are all the lovely spices with some oil and butter, and now I add the masala, and I'm going to let this cook for a little bit. And also let's just check on the chole. Whoops. Oh, beauty. Oh, fabulous. So that's the chickpeas chole done. That's the paneer getting ready. And now that these two dishes are almost ready, I'm going to move on to the crispy bhindi and cauliflower masala. Okay, so that is the paneer masala ready, and I often get asked what I do with the whole spices. So while I was mixing the last bit of paneer in, I took out the whole spices. So this has no whole spices now. This is done. I'm going to turn it off and leave it on the side, and that's the chickpeas almost done. And now I'm going to start with the dahi vadas. And yes, of course, you have to clean as you go. So I am in between cooking. As I get the free hob, I'm cleaning it all up as well. So as you can see, the dahi vadas are being made at the moment. I gave the whole thing a very good clean. My paneer is sitting here, my chola are sitting here. The vadas are getting ready, and now I'm going to start making my cumin rice in this pan right here. So my rice is on, cooking nicely, and this is the last lot of my vadas. Once these are fried, I'm gonna clear this area and I'm gonna start cooking my cauliflower sabji. Just want to show you that my rice is all ready and my cauliflower masala is now gone in the pan, and this is going to take around 20 minutes, and in the time that it takes to cook this, I am going to get the dough ready for the chapatis. Okay, so I've done the dough. I'm going to cover and let it sit, and in the time my cauliflower is being done, I'm going to give this whole area a good clean tidy it all up and then set the table. So that's the cauliflower done. I have fried a big load of poppadoms fresh, and I'm just going to make a quick salad. And here is the okra. I'm going to cover it in the spice mix and then roast it in the oven until crispy. There's my big crispy okra in my book, Chetna's Easy Baking. Okay, so the table is all set. Look at that. Okay, so the table is set and I have given the kitchen a good clean, and now I'm going to quickly make the chapatis. Right, the chapatis are done just in time because the guests have now arrived and it's time to heat up everything and get it onto the table. So here's the onion salad, the dahi vada, the paneer masala, chole, the cauliflower sabji, and the rice and poppadoms, and this box full of piping hot chapatis. And dinner is now served. Right, dinner is finished. It was a great success. I've just got one dahi vada left, and now it's time to get into the dessert. Now, tiramisu is actually my kids' favorite, absolute favorite dessert. You know, I don't think they ever complain if I've made tiramisu, or they actually eagerly wait when I make it. And I really enjoy making it. I make it the proper way with the eggs, and it always a great success with the guests as well. So time to plate this up. Morning. So the dinner went really well last night. Everyone absolutely loved the food. I think the chole were a winner. Everything was great. And while I was in bed at 12 o'clock, I remembered something. I forgot the okra in the oven. My lovely crispy okra has been crisping since yesterday. Thankfully, I had turned the oven off. But it's just been madness. And like I said, at midnight, I was trying to go to bed and I realized that did I miss something? And then I thought, okra, so crispy, delicious, but I forgot to serve it. All that work of chopping, baking, well, we'll eat it today. Lots of okra for us. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. It was just, you know, how I make a feast for friends. And I'll see you with the recipe very soon. Bye for now.